Hi, I'm Brody Saunders. I have been with TGP for 2.5 years now, and I am the purchasing manager. If you want to grow and make an impact at TGP, a pivotal step in becoming a leader is recognizing there's nothing to be gained from siloed goals or agendas. If our teams are rowing in different directions, we're just going to go in circles. Start by talking to everyone. Different perspectives will give you a better understanding of the challenges and the needs your company is facing. Ask yourself what outcomes you can influence, even if it is outside the scope of your current responsibilities. I've implemented processes in my purchasing role that started off as suggestions from material specialists. And on the flip side of that, I've been involved in Kaizen events out on the production floor. Improvements and results come from holistic, experienced team members working together. And make it fun. Let those experiences be a success even if they don't go according to plan. Make your memories, change your plan, and laugh about it later.